Hey everyone, and welcome to the brand new Next NFT channel. Always keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor and don't take anything in my videos to be financial advice. Let's get right into it. If you've used Immutable X for a while, then you know that on their marketplace, it currently doesn't show you previous transactions, so you don't even know if an NFT is actually selling at all. That's pretty bad, and it's really necessary to know that stuff if you're looking into NFTs. Here's an easy solution that doesn't require you to dig into the IMX programming interface by yourself. First of all, you just need to head over to immutascan.io. Unlike some other sites, this one has every Immutable X collection in it. It queries the IMX API, and it's organized similar to Etherscan. Now from here, if you don't see the collection you want to check in the top list, you can just enter it into the search at the top right. As you can see, they're all here. I'm going to take a look at Bad Grandpas. Now once you enter that, it'll take you to a page listing all the different transactions for the collection. To see the sales data for a specific item in the collection, it's pretty simple, not quite as straightforward. Just click on one of the NFTs in the list here, and you'll see this contract up here in the URL, and there's a token number beside it. Just change the token number, and here you're able to see all the transactions for a single NFT token. Hopefully that helps you in making better decisions on IMX. Until next time, signing off.